anticipate to see more positive cases in the state of Florida, and we have taken additional actions to help contain the virus's spread.
First at 11, with 2 confirmed cases of coronavirus in Florida, the governor is preaching calm, saying the risk to almost everyone else remains low. Those 2 cases are both in the Tampa Bay area.
The confirmation coming on what's been another dizzying day of news about the virus around the world. Besides the 2 confirmed Florida patients, Florida's health department says 184 people are being monitored for possible coronavirus.
4 new deaths in the United States were announced today, bringing the nationwide total to 6. All are in Washington state, and clusters of infections are now growing in other countries, though far fewer cases are being reported in China.
CBS 4's Ty Russell begins our coverage of the coronavirus live at the Miami-Dade County Health Department. Ty?
Well, Elliot and Rudabeh, there's a lab in this building that can give us results in either 1 or 2 days, and the only 2 other labs in the state that are able to do that are in Jacksonville and Tampa.
This is where we process our specimens.
Governor Ron DeSantis toured a new lab at the Florida Department of Health in Miami-Dade. It's one of 3 in the state that allows coronavirus test kits to be analyzed. That helps patients get a faster response than simply waiting on the CDC in Atlanta. Results from there could take up to 5 days, but locally,
We measure our turnaround time from 24 to 48 hours.
Every second matters as the virus continues to spread. The state confirms 2 people in the Tampa Bay area have been tested positive for this new strand of corona. Leaders don't know how one man who was in his 60s in Manatee County contracted the virus, but he has been in the hospital for several other health issues. Leaders say the other is a woman in her 20s in Hillsborough County who recently traveled to Italy. And despite that, the governor is working to ease concerns.
It's important to say, the risk to the public remains low.
So far, 23 people have been tested statewide. 184 are currently being monitored. And since January, close to 800 people have been monitored. And because South Florida attracts people from all over the world for spring break, concerts, and festivals, Miami Mayor Francis Suarez says he's leaning on experts at the federal level.
We will be following the CDC recommendation as it relates to issues or advisories of mass assembly.
The governor is expecting an increase in cases statewide. However, he says they're hoping to keep that number as small as possible.
We do anticipate to see more positive cases in the state of Florida, and we have taken additional actions to help contain the virus's spread.
Now, state health leaders are also recommending people who've had fevers and upper respiratory problems and they recently traveled from China, South Korea, Iran, Italy, and Japan should be tested for the coronavirus. Also, if you have those same issues and you've gone to the hospital and been tested for the flu and it came back negative, you should go back and be tested for the coronavirus. But for now, we are live in Miami. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.